Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat screen size. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you don't know how to resize the Snapchat screen, then watch the video to the end and I will tell you a few ways to solve this problem. So first of all, go to the App Store or Google Play and find Snapchat. Here you need to check if there are any updates available, and if you have an update button, then install the latest version of Snapchat. Perhaps the developers have already solved your problem. The next step is to go to Settings and find Snapchat. Scroll down and select. You can also do this on Android. Here you need to check that background app refresh is enabled. Next, go back up and select General, then the iPhone storage. We wait for some time until the iPhone downloads your data and select Snapchat. Here you need to click Offload app to delete the old data and then click Upload again. You can also completely uninstall the app and download it from the App Store or Google Play, and try just rebooting your phone. Sometimes it may help. The next option is to go to Snapchat, then to your profile, and then to the settings on the top right. Scroll down and select Help Center. Scroll down and click Contact Us, then select I found a bug. Click Yes here. Then select Profiles and Communities and My Profile. Scroll down and click Yes. Then you need to enter your username, email address, phone number, your device, and when your problem occurred. Also in the description explain in detail how you need help. After that, Snapchat tech support will review your request and help you. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. You can also watch a playlist about Snapchat at the link in description if you still have any questions. Goodbye, have a nice day.